Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video, I'm going to compare the speed test and RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus iQOO Z5. iQOO Z5 which has got the Snapdragon 778G processor and the OnePlus Nord 2 which has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. And this video is all about a RAM management. So not about the speed test but RAM management, because we should mainly focus on the RAM management when you're trying to deal with this kind of 10 applications. So regarding the speed test, there might be 1 or 2 seconds delay, but regarding the RAM management, that plays a key role for a lot of other users. So first let's start with the basic reboot test. So let's restart the both phones at this moment. Let's as you can see, both phones are restarting at this moment clearly. Now we should be able to see which phone actually has got what type of RAM management, and this is the test which I'm trying to do after the recent Android 12 update in the iQOO Z5. iQOO Z5 did receive the Android 12 update, I think maybe 5 days back, I guess, in this device. And right now we should be able to see these 10 applications which are really good in the RAM management, which phone. So I did not include any kind of games. So UFS storage 3.1 and 3.1 enhanced performance in the iQOO Z5 because of enhanced LPDDR5 RAM type, enhanced UFS storage as well, slightly kind of better we can actually expect maybe. But let's see what happens in this test result. So first phone to reboot is the iQOO Z5. It reboot faster, and both phones should be connected to same kind of Wi-Fi network at this moment, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network right now. Once after you restart, the brightness will be a little bit kind of lower in the OnePlus Nord 2, but later it will try to increase. That's kind of one small thing. So both phones are connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Perfectly all right. And all the apps should be completely clear from the background. RAM management, everything is pretty clear, right? So completely done. And these are the 10 applications which I'm going to demonstrate in this video for the speed test. Let's start with the first application, which is a Chrome application. So after the Android 12 update, you can see this icon as an animation in the iQOO Z5. That might be the reason why sometimes the games and applications won't open faster. So here's another speed test lines I'm trying to draw in this application. So let me draw some lines and keep them in the background RAM management. And next is Amazon Prime. Slightly did load faster in the iQOO Z5, better than the OnePlus Nord 2. Next is Amazon application. And yes, Amazon also loaded a little bit kind of faster in the iQOO Z5. Flipkart, not bad. So let's go to the mobiles. Let's keep some random phone in the background as a RAM management. I just want to keep it in the background. So right now they're in the background RAM management. And now let's go to the Facebook. Facebook also not bad. Next is a speed test application which I'm going to demonstrate. So right now you should be able to see the speed test, which phone is getting what kind of speeds. The speeds iQOO Z5 is getting slightly kind of more speeds, but both phones are connected to same Wi-Fi network at this moment. Exactly same Wi-Fi. So 13 Mbps speeds we got in the iQOO Z5, and OnePlus Nord 2 still loading up, still booting. It takes some time, I guess. 18 Mbps we got in the OnePlus Nord 2. Next is a Myntra application. You can see the loading speeds. And after this, we'll try to concentrate on the RAM management, especially which phone actually opens the RAM management faster. Right now I'll try to open random, and I'll try to keep them in the background. RAM management, both are taking a little bit kind of time to get load. iQOO Z5 a little bit got loaded faster, I guess. In the iQOO Z5 a little bit, yes. Next is a Play Store. Not bad regarding the opening speeds. Let's keep some random game in the background. Is a Canmaster video rendering application which I am trying to demonstrate at this moment. I'll try to keep this application in the background. So now let's do one more thing. Let's export one of the video and let's keep them in the background RAM management. Let's see what happens now. So estimated size of 222 MB and 222 MB is the estimated size. And now let's start the exporting at video rendering at same time. So sorry, I did not click at same time. Let me go back and start at same time 1, 2 and 3. Yes. So now All the 10 applications are completely open, and this is the last application, which is a KineMaster video rendering application. So this is going to be really very interesting to see what happens next. So right now I'll try to just keep Snapdragon 778G and Dimensity 1200. If we go the difference, what's going on, you might be able to see, friends, exactly what is the actual difference between these two processors regarding the rendering speeds as well. So once out of this one, we'll try to visit the first application. So these are kind of slightly extreme testing, because the first application we did open a couple of minutes back, and right now we are doing some heavy task. So let's see which UI is really optimized to keep them in the background as a RAM management. So now we'll be able to. Anyway, the first phone to finish is the OnePlus Nord 2, slightly faster than the iQOO Z5. Little bit faster, not huge. And maybe 10 seconds difference is there between these both phones. Anyway, let me to close this. And we got finished. All these applications are open completely. All the 10 applications, right? Now let's start from the first application, okay? Let's go back to the first menu, which is our Google Chrome application. Let's see which UI actually stores them for pretty longer time. So both UIs are pretty good. Google Chrome did not get reload. That's kind of one thing you should definitely observe. Next is a touch sampling rate application. Let's see 1, 2, and 3. So lines got disappeared. I mean, the application got completely refreshed. So it got restored, friends, the application. So not that. Next is Amazon Prime 1, 2, and 3. So Prime videos, not bad. Both phones did show up. Next is Amazon application. Fantastic, yes, Amazon application, no issues. And Flipkart also, no problem. And Facebook also, yes, absolutely. Speed test, exactly. And Myntra, yep, no problem. Play Store also, and KineMaster video rendering application as well. Not an issue, friends, except one application, which is touch sampling rate, which is not loaded in the OnePlus Nord 2, but which has